Hi guys, thank you for watching. This is the video number 2, the part 2 on how to redo your hardwood flooring. So I'm gonna show you how to get the result. Alright, stay tuned and let's get to the intro. Okay guys, for those who don't know, this is the part 2 of the video of how to redo your hardwood flooring. So first thing after we sanding the floors was vacuum the floors and cleaning all the dust of the floor. For that we're gonna use water and a rag. As you can see, we're taking all the dust off the floor. Okay, all the rags that you use, don't reuse them. We don't want them to keep, you know, getting the dust on the floor back. Okay, so Theodore is using a sponge to wet the floor, and at the same time he's cleaning the dust too. And behind him I'm coming back with a rag and trying to take whatever dust still on the floor. Okay, so you gotta do this on the whole floor. Okay, here we already clean all the dust and wipe all the floor with water, clean water. Now we gotta wait for this to dry, then we're gonna apply the polyurethane. Okay, here's the applicator. So before we use it, we're gonna clean, you see, for all this loose stuff. We don't want that. I'm gonna lose the pad. So you can clean it better. Do it a few times to get everything. Okay, then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use mineral spirit. This is thinner, so we don't want to use this. Also do this outside, don't do this inside because of the odor. Okay, wash this really good. Be careful, you don't want face. You don't want any of this on your skin. Alright, as soon as this is dry, I'm gonna run the painter's tape again, and that's it. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it here on the sun. So today is a nice day. It's not windy, so I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay, now we got our applicator on the pole. Theodore is already spreading the polyurethane on the perimeter of the room. He's using a 3-inch brush. He's gonna dump a little bit of poly on the floor for me. So I'm gonna start spreading the poly with the applicator. Okay, so don't be afraid to push hard on the applicator. You have to spread this really good. You don't wanna leave it thick because you're gonna create bubbles on the floor. Okay, so we're gonna do this. You're gonna work slow, but make sure to cover every single spot of the floor. Okay, as you can see, I'm applying some pressure, going back and forth. Make sure to cover every spot. Just be careful, you don't want to have a lot of poly on the floor because you're gonna end in with too much. Okay, so that's why you have to dump little by little from the can. Spread it really good, you see. And again, when you do the brush, make sure to go underneath all the spots where your applicator is not gonna go, or it's not gonna get to. I'm gonna show you how it looks. You see, this is the first coat, so it's pretty easy to see, and you can notice if you miss a spot. On the second coat, you gotta be careful because it's already looking that way, so it's more chances that you miss a spot. Okay, so we got a very good area already. So we're almost done with this room. If you see anything on the floor, take it off, because when the poly dries, it's gonna stay right there. You don't want that. It could be a hairbrush, any debris, whatever, just take it off. So you see, apply the poly nice and slow, push, put pressure on the applicator. Obviously finish one room completely, then move to the other one. Don't leave any room halfway, because if it dries it's not gonna be the same result when you put one coat on top of the other. So we just gotta do this small area to finish this room. You see he's dumping a little bit. Don't dump a big amount of poly. This is the day after the first coat of poly. As you can see, the floor is pretty shiny. So what we gotta do is we gotta give it a little sanding. I'm gonna use this pole. Let's use mostly to sand this buckle. And I'm gonna use this 150 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna give it a little sanding. Then we are going to vacuum all the dust again. Then after that we can do the last coat of poly. So this is what we're going to use. This paper. Okay, here back on the main floor. I got the applicator already on the pole. We're gonna start doing the second coat of the poly. Right, everything is clean, nothing on the applicator, so we're good to go. Now this coat is gonna be the last coat I'm gonna do on this house. I'm gonna do 2 coats of poly. Okay, so when we spread the poly, remember, press down hard, firmly. So Theodore is already doing the edges, so I'm gonna start spreading the poly. Just do a little bit at a time. Make sure to cover the whole floor. Okay, sometimes because it's shiny it's hard to see if you miss a spot, but if you have someone to help you, they can tell you if you're missing a spot. Pour a little bit at a time, don't pour a lot. You don't want to end up with too much poly on the floor because it's gonna be hard to spread it. And remember, that also gonna cause bubbles on the floor. So go nice and easy, we gotta do the same process as we did on the first coat. Okay, keep going, don't rush. This is the second coat. Even on the first coat, don't rush. You want to do a nice job. Remember, this is your floor and you want it to look nice and shiny, and you want the color of the floor to be nice and rich. So pour a little bit at a time. Make sure to get all the spots on the floor. Make sure whoever is doing the brush cover the perimeter of the room really well. So as you can see, we're doing the same thing as we did on the first coat. Okay, just spread it nice. And by the way, the same way we clean our applicator before we use it, that's the way you're gonna clean it after you use it, if you want to reuse your applicator. If you don't want to reuse it and you just want to throw it away, I mean, that's totally up to you. What if you clean it nice with the mineral spirit, you'll be able to use it, to reuse it. Okay, here we are at the last spot on this room. The room is looking really nice now. Make sure to spread everything really good. Here we got first room done with the second coat. This is the second room finished too. So we're doing the whole house, so I'm not gonna film the whole thing. So remember, if you wanna redo your hardwood flooring, you can do it. Just follow these steps. At the end of this, you're gonna have to sand down a little bit with like 150 grit paper, but this is the ending result. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.